Hello students, myself Chetan Garg and I welcome you all to our RMO flashback series. Right? And in today's lecture, we will be discussing last three questions of year 2000. Okay? One of the question is from geometry, one is from, and in fact, one is from number theory and the other one is from algebra. Right? A very simple question of quadratic. Right? So before starting the session, let me just introduce you. We have started fresh batches in for the session 2021. Right? These are the three pre-RMO batches. If you are enrolled in 8th, there is a separate batch for pre-RMO class 8, separate batch for pre-RMO 9th and 10th, and those who are studying in 11th, 12th, or if they are our old last year pre-RMO batch students, then there is a separate batch for them also, right? To enroll in these pre-RMO batches, all you need to do is just go on this Google form, right? vdnt.in VOS 2021 Olympiad batches, right? And just fill your information, and if you are eligible, then you will be enrolled in these batches. And for enrollment in RMO and INMO batches, there is a criteria. To enroll in RMO batches, you must have IOQM certificate, or from if you have cleared pre-RMO last to last year, then you should send us your pre-RMO certificate, right? And to enroll in INMO batch, आपको इस साल INMO का पेपर दिया होना चाहिए, right? If you have written INMO exam this year, then you will be eligible to be a part of INMO batch. And if you have cleared INMO this year, then there are one-to-one batches for you people. Okay. So to enroll in these batches, all you need to do is mail me these details, these credentials, your name, class, contact number, address, and along with the certificate. Okay, on this email ID chetan.garg@vedantu.com. Okay, you will be enrolled in these batches. And one more thing, these batches are totally free of cost. You do not need to pay even a single rupee to enroll in these batches, right? Chalo, so let's start our session. Let's discuss the question 5th of year 2000. As you can see, this is a question of geometry. The question says that the internal bisector of angle A in a triangle ABC with AC greater than AB meets the circumcircle at D, है ना? And then join D with O, and some more information is given. So let's first draw the figure, right? This is the figure. Okay, as you can see, AC is clearly greater than AB, and the internal angle bisector. Okay, so this angle is equals to this angle, and this internal angle bisector meets at D. Join D with the center O. Okay, so this is the center of the circle, and suppose DO meets AC in E. Okay, possibly when extended, obviously, given that BE is perpendicular to AD. Okay, अपने फिगर में although लग नहीं रहा, but yes, this is given to be perpendicular. तो ये चारों एंगल 90 डिग्री के हैं, right? Then we need to prove something. Show that AO, okay, this green one is parallel to BD. तो ये जो दो green lines हैं AO and BD, ये हमें parallel prove करनी है, right? All right, ठीक है. तो let's start discussing. Okay, as you can see, let's name this point as, let's say, M. This point is M. Clearly, triangle AMB is congruent with triangle AME. Reason being, these two angles are equal. Okay, in the question it is mentioned this angle is 90 degree, again mentioned in the question. AM is the common side. That means M must be the midpoint of BE. So this simply implies that BM should be equal to ME, which further implies that triangle BMD, that should be congruent with triangle EMD. Why? Because BM equal to ME. MD is the common side, right? And this angle is 90 degree. So SA is common, है ना? So that will further implies, that will imply what? This will imply angle BDA or BDM, है ना? This angle basically, that should be equal to this angle, right? So that should be equal to angle MDE, right? And obviously O is the center. So OA and OD, OA must be equal to OD because these are the radii, है ना? ये तो दोनों radius हैं. तो that will further imply that angle MDE, यानी कि ये वाला angle, that should be equal to ये वाला angle, which is your angle DAO. But MDE, that is EMD, that was equal to BDA. We can say that this angle, है ना, that should be equal to this angle. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है ना, तो these two further implies, ये दोनों imply करेंगे, है ना, but they will imply that angle BDA, angle BDA that should be equal to angle OAD. So that simply implies कि भैया since these two are alternate angles and these are equal, so that will imply that BD is nothing but parallel to AO. ठीक है, and this is what we need to prove, that AO is parallel to BD. तो as you can see यार ये क्वेश्चन सिंपल था, है ना, कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं, सिर्फ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स की ज़रूरत थी, एंड वो भी काफ़ी हद तक ऑब्वियस सी चीज़ थी, राइट. तो दिस इज एन ईजी क्वेश्चन एज फार एज RMO स्टैंडर्ड इज कंसर्न. ठीक है, ऑलराइट, तो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन. ओके, तो दिस इज अगेन अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नंबर थ्योरी, बट येस दिस रिक्वायर्स अ लिटिल लॉजिक, है ना. तो बेसिकली दिस देर आर टू पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. तो लेट्स डू फर्स्ट पार्ट. Consider two positive integers a and b which are such that a power a b power b is divisible by 2000. Okay, so a power a b power b that must be divisible by 2000. Okay, then what is the least possible value of the product ab? ठीक है, तो a into b का हमें least possible value पूछा है. All right, देखो, if we write down the prime factorization of 2000, तो that will be 2 raised to power 4 into 5 cube. ठीक है, तो its prime factorization has 2 and 5 as the only prime factors. ठीक है, तो since a power a and b power b this is divisible by 2000, so 2 must be a factor of either a or b or both. ठीक है, 2 एटलीस्ट a और b में से किसी एक का फैक्टर होना चाहिए. सेम अप्लाइज विद 5. तो 2 और 5 मस्ट बी अ फैक्टर ऑफ आइदर a और b और बोथ, है ना. तो दैट विल सिंपली इम्प्लाइज, तो जो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट होगा दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 10. ठीक है, नाउ वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द लीस्ट पॉसिबल वैल्यू ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट ab, तो दैट कैन बी 10, बट येस वी नीड टू थिंक हाउ इट कैन बी 10. ठीक है, बड़ा सिंपल से, अगर आप इसको 2 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 5 करोगे, देन दैट प्रैक्टिकली इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2 power 4 into 5 power 3, because of the obvious reason, because here power of 2 is lesser, है ना. तो this will not work, है ना, कि a की वैल्यू 2 मान लेते हैं, b की वैल्यू 5 मान लेते हैं. this will not work. so what can be worked out, what can be thought of, कि किसी भी एक चीज़ को, let's say a को 10 मान लेते हैं, and the other thing let's assume it to be b. तो 10 power 10 into 1 power 1, that is obviously that will be divisible by 2000, है ना. तो yes, the product should be greater than or equal to 10 and the least value can be achieved. So what is the least value, least possible product of AB? That will be 10, and that can be achieved when A is 10 and again B is 1, right. This is how we can achieve the first part, right. I hope this is clear, and this is a very logical question from number theory. Let's move to its second part, है ना. सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या चेंज है, दिस a पावर a b पावर b की जगह नाउ वी आर गिवन विद a पावर b इंटू b पावर a, राइट. ठीक है, तो सिंपली एंड अगेन दिस इज अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 2000, ये 2000 से डिविजिबल है, तो वी नीड टू फाइंड व्हाट इज अगेन द लीस्ट पॉसिबल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ab. अगेन द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 2000 वाज 2 पावर 4 into 5 क्यूब. ठीक है, एंड क्लियरली one of a or b must be greater than or equal to 5, है ना. that is 5 must be a factor of at least one of a or b, है ना. ये तो सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, else it will not be divisible by 2000, right. So let's assume it is a factor of at least of a. ठीक है, because since a and b are symmetrical, so we can assume without loss of generality that 5 must be a factor of a. So a must be greater than or equal to 5, right. But clearly this thing a power b, right. If b is also a factor of, okay, let's now see the minimum product. Let's assume a to be equal to 5, but we want it to be divisible by 2000, so this b must be greater than or equal to 3, because a power b, that is 5 cube, should be there to make it divisible by 2000, right. But if we assume b to be equal to 3, so what will happen, 5 power 3 into 3 power 5, this is clearly an odd number and it is not divisible by what, 2000, है ना. तो b must be 4. Let's try for a equals to 5 and b equals to 4. Now you can see, if a is 5, so 5 power 4 into 4 by 5, this is clearly divisible by 2000, right. So least possible product in this scenario will be a into b is how much, 20. Okay, So this is the least possible product of AB, which is 20. So for first part the answer was 10, and for the second part it should be 20. Right? चलो, तो now let's proceed to the question number 7 of year 2000. ठीक है. This is again a simple geometry, simple number, ये quadratic question. ठीक है. The question states that find all the real values of a for which the equation this thing has all its real roots. ठीक है. Although this is a biquadratic in terms of x, but if you rearrange it in terms of a, then it is a quadratic equation. And ये ना बड़ा कॉमन सा टेक्निक होता है, बहुत बार है ना, काफ़ी बार है ना, हम जनरली वेरिएबल को x मानते हैं और यहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली रूट्स का मतलब यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू से ही है, तो x के चारों रूट्स यहाँ पर रियल है, राइट, दैट्स ओके. बट हमें बताना है कि a की ऐसी क्या वैल्यू होगी, फाइंड ऑल रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ ए सच दैट इसके चारों रूट्स रियल हो. ठीक है. ऑलराइट, तो लेट्स कंसिडर इट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इन a. So let's separate out the terms. A square minus a times that will be 2x square plus 1, and what should be the constant? It should be x power 4 plus x, that is equals to 0, right? Now since this is a quadratic in a, so let's calculate a using the quadratic formula. So minus b, that will be 2x square plus 1 plus minus under root of b square, so that will be 2x square plus 1 squared minus 4 x power 4 plus x, 4ac है ना, upon 2, right? तो a should be equal to 2x square plus 1 plus minus, if you calculate this 4x power 4, that will be cancelled with 4x power 4, so what we are left with 4x square minus 4x plus 1 whole upon 2, and this is again clearly a perfect square है ना, plus minus mod of 2x minus 1, because this is a square of 2x minus 1, and under root of 2x minus 1 whole square, that will be mod of 2x minus 1. Okay. Now here we will make two cases, if x is greater than or equal to half, or if x is less than or equal to half, because mod will open with a separate sign. Okay. So now let's solve it using a black pen. Right, so if x is greater than or equal to half, then mod will simply open up with plus sign, so it will have what we will have 2x square plus 1 plus minus, okay, that will be what, 2x minus 1. Here again there are two possibilities, one is from plus sign and the other one is from negative sign. If we take the positive sign, that will be 2x square plus 1 will get cancelled out, so it will be 2x square plus 2x upon 2, so that simply gives us x square plus x. And since x is greater than or equal to half, so its least value will occur at half only है ना, so we can claim that from this a is greater than or equal to half squared plus half, so 1 by 4 plus half, that comes out to be 3 by 4. ठीक है, so that simply means a is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. ठीक है, from plus sign of the first part. Now let's take minus sign. Okay, ठीक है, let me just erase this part. I hope this is clear है ना, हमने कुछ नहीं किया, a की टर्म्स में क्वाड्रेटिक मानी है, and then we have solved it. ठीक है, all right, just a second, let me just erase these things. All right, ठीक है, तो now let's consider the minus 1. ठीक है, तो that will become 2x square minus 2x, right, and again plus 2 whole upon 2, that is equals to a है ना, and that will become simply what, x square minus x plus 1. Clearly this is a quadratic है ना, and its graph must be, or you can say its minimum value will be at half, because the vertex has the x coordinate minus b by 2a, and that is half, and since x is also greater than or equal to half, so its minimum value will again occur at half. So at half, this is half squared minus half plus 1, right, and that is again comes out to be 3 by 4. ठीक है, right, तो Okay, so a is equal to this, so a again in this scenario a must also be greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so from the first two parts, that is when x is greater than or equal to half, then a should be clearly greater than or equal to 3 by 4, right? Now let's consider when x is less than or equal to half. Now the more again matlab here also it will open up with a negative sign, but since outside it there is a plus minus, though it will not make any difference, है ना? It will still be considered as 2x minus 1, right? But yes, all only criteria will be x less than or equal to half. And as you can see, okay, in both the scenarios we will end up with the same relation. Okay, so for all the roots to be real, the only criteria should be a greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so we also need to find all the real values of a for which this has all the roots real. So the answer should be a greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, so guys, that's it from today's session. Today we have discussed the last three questions of year 2000, right? And in the next lecture we will be discussing first few questions of year 2001, right? So see you in the next lecture. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.